Good morning, children. This is your KP ma'am and teaching social studies and all ninth class children. Hearty welcome to your new session, children. And are you safe? Are you safety? And so what you will do is you sit at home and learn, children. Don't stop learning. Always we must able to read, children. And the children really this year, this academic year, I miss you a lot. And but through this video clipping, I am able to meet you, children. So, and where there is a will, there is a way, children. So, in this way, we are approaching you. So, all the children don't misuse these classes. All of you take your notebooks and start to learn the things, children. And here, social studies, you know, it is your favorite subject, isn't it? Am I right, children? So, what you will do is, first lesson you take it up and you take out the textbook and read and see. First lesson is about our earth. In the earth, on the earth, see, you have seen several times, I have shown you 6th, 7th, 8th class also, how our earth rotates and revolves, okay, and revolves around the sun. And see, so much of water body, blue color, which indicates you have learned in the 6th class, 7th class, 8th class, now you reach it to 9th class. 9th class, if you see this earth, how it is rotating and revolving. Today, we are going to learn about the earth, children. On the earth, so many living beings are there, human beings and animals, plants, and almost all the organisms are living on the earth, children. But are we keeping the earth safety? No. Yes, and previously it was a little bit, they have secured the earth, but now what we are doing, we are misusing that. So, and the environment is bad, we are making environmental pollution, so much of pollution we are making, so that's why our earth is getting affected, children. So, this we are going on cutting down the trees. What are the against saving the earth things are there we are doing, children. So, against the environment, what is we are doing, it is called as environmental crisis. What is environmental crisis? First topic, if you see, environmental crisis means environment, some crisis occurred. Crisis, how it occurred? Because we are thoughtlessly, recklessly we are cutting down the trees. There is no balance of the oxygen and carbon dioxide, and we are making so much of carbon dioxide, leaving so carbon dioxide emissions in the atmosphere. So what is happening, children? Automatically environmental crisis occurs, children. So what we will do is, today we are going to learn about the earth, how it was formed. And you know here, this earth is first the scientist what they have thought is, early scientist what they have thought is, earth is the center and remaining all planets. How many planets, other planets are there, you know, solar system, okay, Mars and Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, these are all the things are rotating around the sun, earth, like that they thought. But later on, and our Vedantas 3500 years back also, Ptolemy proposed the geocentric. Ptolemy, what he said, geocentric theory he proposed. Geocentric means geography is the center part and our earth is the center part. And in the previous, our ancient scriptures also, that is Vedanta, Bhagavata, Surya Siddhanta and some other epics, they have written that 3500 years back only, they have written how earth is formed. Okay, how it was formed, how it was evolved and like that. And first they are in the belief, that earth is in the center, remaining all planets are revolving around the sun. But afterwards, Copernicus was the person who was a geographer. He was pointed out each and everything he recorded, and he told that it is sun is a central theory, sun is a central place, remaining all points, planets are revolving around the sun, and one of the earth is the one of the planet. And if you see the in the planet are also there are a number of group of stars. Sun is actually, it is a star. Sun is a star, and in the stars so many stars are there, that so many body of so many stars are called as galaxies. And our solar system is also one of the part in the galaxy. So here if you see, universe started with this universe, so many of them they have thought that okay, long back it was started, but actual record it was given that 13.7 billion years back, 13.7 billion back only our universe was started, children. And universe is a number of planets. And here, if you see, Earth is one of the planetary body. Planetary body means where there is a living things are there. And up to now, nobody knows in other planets where the other planets the man like a human being existed or not. Okay, UFO unidentifying objects are coming onto the earth and rising up. It seems new aliens are coming. Like that, so many stories are there. But actually, it was not recorded. And we are still in the progress that whether just like sun is the center, remaining all planets, only Earth is a human being is there. Remaining planets are there. Still, we are in dilemma. Just man like this thing, whether in any other planet it is there, are there human life is existed or not, still we are in the dilemma and we are sending signals to different planets, whether we will get back whether the human life is existed or not, whether we will get the positive signals like that, we are waiting still. But now as far as we know, and man went up to the sun, up to the moon, and we went to the spaceships, we are entered and we are landed on the moon, and we have seen up to moon we reached, up to Mars we went, and up to that there were no human life existence we did not see. So, and as far as the historians and scientists what they are believed are, only Earth is the only sphere which is the luckiest and beautiful planet where human beings are existed just like us, man, human and living beings, living organisms, animals, plants, all each one is dependent upon the others. So this is very lucky planet, children. We are all lucky to be as a member in the planet. Isn't it, children? Such a planetary system. The Earth is a planet is a planetary plate. Earth is to move on the solar system. One orbit. Orbit means 8th class you learned what is orbit. Where the Earth planet revolves around the sun in one particular direction with the path. The path which the Earth rotates around the sun is called as a orbit. It is called as a orbit, and this is this orbit where we are seeing it is a plane of orbit. It is called, and in the plane of orbit also Earth moves circular shape. Some are triangular. Oval shape like that. It is to move, and when it was moving, and sometimes when the Earth is near to the solar system, sun, then we will occur summer season. When Earth is far away in the orbit, then we are having the winter season, children. There are this difference. The rotation it gives, when the rotation it gives the day and night, and the revolution it gives us different changes of the seasons. Winter season and summer season. The Earth's movement also, sometimes it comes near to the sun and sometimes it goes far away. It is just like a oval shape it used to rotate. So when the Earth is furthest point where the long point where it was rotating, longest point is 152 million kilometers far away, that much of distance from the sun. Okay, the Earth's furthest point is 152 million kilometers far away, and when it comes near to that is the closest point is 147 million kilometers near that. Okay, 147 million kilometers and 152 million kilometers is the farthest point. And you know how much of the Earth rotates around the sun, this much of rotation, very fastly it rotates. How much it is? 1,07,200 kilometers per hour. Per hour, 1 hour, this much of speed the Earth is rotating and revolving around the sun. And to revolve one completion of one revolution, it takes 365 and a half, 1/4 day. Okay, 300, that is 1 year it completes. Okay, one rotation itself is a day and night it occurs. You know very well, 8th class also you have studied, 7th also this topic is there. And when revolution is one revolution around the sun, one revolution it takes 365, 1/4 day it takes. And so when it is rotating, if you can observe here how the sun is rotating here, sometimes it is circular shape, some is oval shape, some is the circular shape. So we have to find out how the sun is rotating around the sun, children. So let us see, today we will concentrate on this topic. What you will do is, after this topic, after seeing the video, you take one notebook and note down all the points, children. Okay, all the points, and you try to draw the movements of the sun. earth, how it was rotating. One is a circular path. You take out the textbook page number 2, I think, and in that it was figures are there. You try to draw and explain that these movements and all. So what we will do, children, don't worry children, we will try to solve your whatever the queries you are having after listening the lesson. Okay, whatever doubts you are having, first you go through the every day. After this, before seeing this video, you just read the textbook and then you will understand very easily children about our earth. It is very very interesting thing to know what is happening on the earth, where we are, how it was rotating, in which direction it was rotating, who are the people are there in other planets, human beings are there or not. These are all the questions, one by one it will come into our brains, children. So always to try to solve those questions, to try to give answers for those questions, you must go through the textbook, children. Okay, so if you have, and this after the long vacation, and after long vacation you are starting the first lesson, children. So you be happy and enjoy your study. Feel happy. If you enjoy, if you read happily, everything will go automatically in your brain. So see, social studies are also like that. First we will start with this topic, our earth only. Okay, and be happy children. Have a good day. Thank you.